This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning. Oops, sorry about the bell. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Hello. Oh boy, I am going to butcher your name. If you're still here, let me know how bad I butcher your name and the best way to pronounce it. Is it Andau? No. Yeah, Andau. Is that how you pronounce that name? If not, please correct me because I hate when my name gets butchered. So I try really hard not to butcher others. So we have been falling, trying to bounce a little bit. ES high 5091 has fallen all the way down to 5063, so about 28 points in range. NQ, its high was 18019. It's fallen all the way down to 892, so about 120 points of range. Kappa falling as well, about 60 ticks of range. Gold, about 9 points of range. Ultra Bond, Ultra Bond had a contract roll, is now and only about a half a point in range. Crude oil been falling a little bit. The reaching highs I hadn't seen since November yesterday. About 90 ticks of range. And Bitcoin trying to get to 60,000, sitting a little over 59. So that's where he sits there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. As we're ready to rock and rumble. Give me 1 second. I'm answering someone on Earn to Trade. Okay. So popping back up here a little bit, just a little bit. Where's everybody this morning? Only 4 people here. It's the middle of the week. It's not Monday. It's not Friday. Hey, JC. How's the morning? I'm all right. Sorry. So I spent a couple hours last night researching how to do merch. I think it's a little bit of a complicated thing, but I think we might have something. Yeah, here, check this out, RJ. Yeah, RJ. Wow, JC. Wow, I'm mixing up names today. Good job, JC. Let's see. Oh, nice move up here. I'm here. It's looking at shirts and missing a trade. This place has like everything. You can get pet stuff. You can get shower curtains. Yeah, I figured the question mark was a mistake. There's like 900 different products. I'm just gonna let this trade go now instead of trying to chase it. They even have golf balls. John DeFore might buy some MightyOxTrading golf balls. Yeah, no, I would never try and sell it. I just was curious what it would look like when I saw it. You can get a Mighty Ox Trading oven mitt. Here, hold on. I even have a picture of the shower curtain. This is funny. I would never actually try try and sell it, but it's interesting. Here, the hat looks kind of cool. Maybe when I get wealthy, I can do my entire house. Once I get a better house, I could do my entire house of Mighty Ox Trading stuff. So I got to figure out how to hook it up to Shopify and a bunch of other different things. So once I figure that out, probably be a weekend project. Maybe by next week we can get something rolling. I can't believe the range of products that are available. Dog collars, feeding bowls. Uh, all kinds of shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, tank tops, shoes. I can't imagine why anyone would ever do it with shoes. Kids' clothing, purses and bags, socks, mouse pads, bumper stickers, stationery stuff, mugs, glassware, bottles and tumblers, Christmas ornaments, magnets and stickers, towels, blankets, pillows and covers. And I can print anything. Like, if I come up with other ideas besides the Mighty Ox logo, like if anyone, like I actually made a mock-up. Hold on, I did a. Oh, the shot glass came out looking cool too. Not that I drink, but I know some people actually collect shot glasses. That's what the shot glass looks like. But I actually made a mock-up if I can find it here. And after I do this, I will check what news we have today. This is Ace's 2 points mug. For most things, no, it's just print on demand. People buy it, they print it, and send it directly to them. You don't need to touch any merchandise. There are a few small things that are like there's pins and stuff that would take custom making that you would need to buy like a 300 quantity of. But 90% of the stuff, there's no minimum quantity. Pulling right back. So I'm glad I got distracted and didn't take that long there. I can put a stuff on shirts too, for that matter. But yeah, it's fun. Like any of this AI stuff that I've been making, if I could find anything that's would appeal to a wider audience, like I could make up, and sell. There's lots of potential here, honestly. And I can add text to it as well, so yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I just need to make sure because the Shopify part of it is $1 a month for the first 3 months, but then I think it goes to like $29 a month. So I need to make sure that there's enough interest to you know combat that and then still be profitable after. Or even if it's not profitable, if people are just enjoying getting the merchandise, if I can run it. I mean, yeah, would I like income out of it? Yeah, absolutely. But so gold taking off here, almost back up to its overnight high. Yeah, I wasted about 2 hours last night just playing with it. And I just need to figure out how to get it all set up. Back down to these recent lows. Was this the absolute low? No, no. Okay. 17,922. Trying to get back there. Just hit it. Let's see. News. That's what I want to look at. My mind's a little scattered today. Not sure why. I did forget to take my ashwagandha last night, so maybe that's why. The carnivore still going well for you, JC? So we have a lot of news this morning coming up in less than 15 minutes. U.S. GDP quarter over quarter, second estimate. Canadian current account, U.S. core PCE prices index, U.S. wholesale inventories, U.S. retail inventories, U.S. advanced good trades balance. And that's it. I mean, there's crude oil inventories at 10:30, but nothing else that's going to affect us here during the stream. Starting at noon, in that the at noon to 1 o'clock hour, there's 3 different Fed speakers. Nice bounce there. So it still blows my mind that people want MightyOxTrading merch, but hey, it's fun, and I'll be happy to get it going and see how it goes. Wow, nice little bounce. So we double bottom now there. See here, got down to 22 quarter here, 22 half here. That's a double bottom. We'll watch that. Yeah, it's a wonderful community, and it's that in itself still blows my mind. It's never thought, like I've said before, when I first started streaming, I didn't think I'll ever see more than like 10 people. And now we're 19 away from 2,000 subscribers. Oh, that was a beautiful bounce up. Let's see if it gets back above 940. Yeah. And also, like I said, I'm glad it's a community that where I can talk to everybody and not like some of these other places where just impossible for people to converse with others, and because of the chat flies by so fast. A blast from the past came back to the Discord yesterday. People remember G-Man, not Mr. G, but G-Man. Yep. Can't get back above that 100 EMA. Oh, there we go. Maybe now it will. Oh yeah, Ace is like a bulldog when someone comes in like that. Hey Sid, how are you doing today? We're long. Let's see, it didn't really break, unfortunately. It looks like I'm going to get stopped out. Maybe. It's a 5-point stop. Blue candle, but kind of hit the bands. Wanted to get it above 940 half. I thought it broke, and it didn't really. Let's see what it does. Sid reminds me of somebody that looked good in a MightyOxTrading shirt. It's running into a wall here at 940, which of course is right where I got in. News coming up in about 7 minutes. Start spreading the news. Still playing with me here. Using my my entry as resistance. Yeah, I've stopped out. Well, it bounced twice here, so when we came up, we You know, this is where it stopped. It looks like it wants to continue up, thinking we want to come back up to at least this high here. But instead it just stalled there. Yeah, but I was showing people MightyOxTrading shirts and missed that trade. But yeah, I agree. This was my entry that I should have taken. Luckily, it's an Eval account, so it's not real money. Have you started playing with that Apex account yet, Sid? That should have happened right away, Sid. Like when I sign up for an account, I have Tradovate right away. They should have sent you a username and password to use on the Tradovate platform. And we're pulling back. News in two, news in one. Sorry, 1 minute. Wow, what did they do that caused that? They have a good earnings report or something? There's our news. Dropping low. I don't see numbers haven't hit finance. There we go. Now it has GDP quarter over quarter. Second estimate 3.2. They expected 3.3. PCE core prices 2.1. They expected 2. US GDP price index 1.6. They expected 1.5. So kind of mixed numbers there. Trade balance negative 90.2 billion. They expected negative 88.5. So that's a pretty big miss. With a couple billion between friends. Oh wow, nice bounce. Look at that. And again, a third bounce off of 22 or 23 this time, all the way up. Let's go look at Beyond. Ah, wrong. There we go. Wow, look at that move us after the bell. From 760 up to 15 bucks. Wow, so basically it's pulled back now some, but it doubled in price after the bell yesterday before pulling back. That would have been beautiful to catch. NQ running here, back up to 54. What's our overall high? Oh, we have a long way to go before then. Uh, Trying to gain back what it lost in Europe. Ultraviolet new high day. And then pulling back some now. Kind of ran into VWAP. 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 If you're enjoying the stream, folks, or even if you're not enjoying the stream but just want to give me a thumbs up, appreciate if you gore that like button. Pulls back a little bit, so it got up to 960, dipped back down to 953. Gold still rising, new high a day on gold. Gold's been kind of rangy. It's staying in this this price area. You think we're going up or down on gold eventually here, Sid? And I say rangy, I mean over days, not just today. Cool. Kind of choppy again now. Wait to see where it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Remember, folks, will be streaming tonight as well, 7 to 9. Asia session. Morning, John. Makes sense. Yeah, it's trying to get back up to the 2050. Hey, John, I got something that you absolutely positively need. MightyOxTrading golf balls. We're just kind of sitting here at 947 on EggQ. MightyOxTrading golf balls will probably reverse on you when you swing at them. Yeah, behind you. Yeah, this merch place has a little bit of everything. I saw golf balls. I'm like, there's something for John. Pulling back down to 940. 119.02 in ZB makes me go to a different screen so I can see ZB. No. Do I not have ZB up anymore? Yeah, I do. There's ZB. All right, 119.02. Okay, I see it. That recent high? No, it's even higher than recent high. So IQ heading back down now after that little burst on the news. See if it can get through 922 this time. Eh, well, maybe it's just not your day to trade today, John, or you just need things to be clear here in a little bit. How did the algo finish up yesterday, John? By the way, tomorrow's when we announce the giveaway winner for the Blue Sky Static Growth account. So if anybody wants to still enter, you have like 24 hours. The Apex sale has been extended because of the rhythmic outage on Monday. They decided to extend the sale until next Monday. Which also means that the Bulenox 83% off sale has also been extended. Must be easy to work in the Bulenox promotions department. What promotion do we want to run? Oh, what's everyone else doing? Excellent, John. Excellent. Again, we're down to that 22, 25 level. Can it get through this time? Can it get through? Maybe push back down to that low day of 892. Ah, there's a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that. NQ. It bounces back up. Why am I looking at a 30-minute chart? What the heck? Knew something looked off there. Nice bounce. So it got down to 918 and another bounce back up. I got to start grabbing those bounces. Brain doesn't seem to be firing on all cylinders today. Nice move back up. So it kind of looks like we're ranging a little bit here. It's, I mean, going down, up, down, up, down, up. Bet you Robin's doing well today. She loves playing edges. Gold stalling a little bit. So no other news this morning besides crude oil inventories. Wow. Bitcoin touches almost 61,000, 69.12. All-time high is 69,420. It is just motoring up. What's ZV doing? Slowly grinding up. Morning, Crypticon. How are you doing today? What happened, Crypt? Crude oil rising up big time here. 10 minutes before its market opens, up above 79. Wait, that's a new high day? It is. Wow, look at that. Boom. Absolutely. You got to find what's best for you. You should only, you shouldn't let anyone else, tell you to go long or short or whatever. And you got to do what's best for you. Just, make sure you still stop in and say hi. Wow, we are just a bit Choppy right now. Crypt, I hope I've never gotten you all revved up and whatever. I try very hard not to influence anybody else. As we're pushing back down. Seriously? So it made a bridge. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, and then finally pushed down. All I want is to see you successful, Crypt. That's always what I've wanted. Be careful, Crypt. If you're going for smaller targets, don't let the allure of a big win or big number like that get you back into your old habits. That's an awesome win, though. We're kind of stagnant here. See, the 5 minute was really choppy. Focus, key to trading. So, wow, Crypt. Do they even still make those? We're kind of stagnant everywhere. Crude oil, a couple minutes before the top of the hour. Never been to a Hooters. Back up to this congestion. Can't get through the congestion. Needs a decongestant. Pulls back. So can't get through 49. Can't get through 20. It's kind of a 25-point range here. There you go. Yeah, don't overtrade crypt. Just go relax now. If you need something to do, can have you like set up stuff on my social media or something. Gold sitting at 2045. Right now, kind of a boring morning. Just waiting on something. Yeah, so why is that killing you, Crypt? Oh, I see ZB did not get to your entry there, JC. All right, RJ. A wedding meeting? Still rangy as we're about 25 minutes from the bell. You have crypto, Crypt? Wow, that was kind of a weird sentence to say. Yeah, BTC's having itself a time. Morning, T.O. You're here kind of early this morning. IMX? I've never even heard of IMX. Let's go take a gander at IMX because, like, I'm bored. Uh, oh, wow. Yeah, I can see that popping up there. It's through the higher time frame. Nice. Yeah, it's had quite the run lately, hasn't it? And we're coming back down to this level we've hit like several times. This 20 area, 2022. So Crypticon, I'm gonna be launching a merchandise store. Are you gonna buy some MightyOxTrading merchandise? Yep, Chase got a swine. That's the shirt. Once I get it launched, it looks pretty cool as long as it comes out nice. Yeah, there you go, Crip. Speak positively. Meanwhile, Q's trying to break through this downside again. Oh, you could go a full MightyOxTrading wardrobe. These people have everything: shirts, pants, hoodies, hats, socks. Everyone needs some MightyOxTrading socks. No banana hammocks. Yeah, has pet items, shower curtains. Do your whole house in MightyOxTrading merchandise. Sure, your wife will love that. I thought you were done trading, Crypticon. Okay, just make sure you're not over trading. Mind you about the Blue Sky sale. I didn't make a promo picture for it, but all their accounts right now are $99 and there's no funded setup fee. So you get a 100K account for $99, and when you get funded, no setup fee. It makes it the cheapest 100K account in the business right now. Link is in the video description below. Yep, and for cheap evals, right now, the cheapest is the Bulenox, followed by the Apex. And Topstep's still good too, even at 49. But I have totally dropped Lilu from the sheets. I'll be having a video come out maybe later today, probably more tomorrow. Uh, Major things going on with Lulu, and I totally advise nobody to trade with them. Do not use Lulu anymore. Good morning, Ace. This is trying to break through this bottom here. We bottomed at 918 earlier. Hey, Ace. I made a mug with your thing on it last night. I'm going to be starting a merch store, so I was playing with various things. It was just fun to see if I could do it with the Ace things. Weren't the turkeys supposed to come in on Monday, Sid? I think we might be finally breaking through this little area, but maybe not. There we go. Now it's heading downward. Thanksgiving at Sid's house. Again, it couldn't really break through. Got down to 917 and bounced back up. We are about less than 15 minutes till the bell. How are we all doing out there today? When are you getting the cattle? uh, good one, Ace. Good one. All right, good luck, Ace. Sid, how are you planning on feeding your cattle? Grass or grain? All right. Get some alpacas. Emus. Get some big birds. Not like the big bird from Sesame Street, but like. So we are 10 minutes till the bell, a little less than 10 minutes till the bell. Sorry to hear that, Ace. Coming back down. Dow dropping. Dropping like a Dow. Dropping like, oh, sorry. Ace, I would say just doing what you're doing is best because you do very well. It's kind of a if it ain't broke, why fix it type thing. All right, Ace. RJ may or may not be here today. He stopped in earlier, said he had a meeting. I'm assuming it's something about the wedding. Ace, with all the time you spend in the kitchen, I bet you could use a MightyOxTrading oven mitt. Merch. I'm hoping to have the merch store open next week, unless it's like really complicated. In which case, I'll cry to somebody who knows how to do Shopify. Uh, Actually, it's all the printing, the on-demand stuff. Now, the original blank stuff might be coming from China, but the actual printing is done right here, and shipping is done right here in America. Well, there are like some European centers as well and stuff. So if anyone that's from Europe or whatever wants stuff, they can order too. Yep, 2-minute warning. Hopefully, we get some movement here. That 5-minute chart was really ugly. we ready, folks? Let's get ready to rumble. Whipping around, dip down again, now ripping up. That 918, 920 area is definitely a wall all morning. But big boom up now by 20 points. Yes, only up by 2. Dow bouncing, big drop on the Russell. Crude oil kind of stagnant. Its inventories are later. Pulls back. Dow's coming down now. They're trying to bounce. AQ giving it back. Pushing downward. The NQ 5-minute chart looks like a heart monitor of a terminally ill patient. Ace going for his 2 points. Maybe it's 2.5 now. He did take a loss earlier. AQ bouncing back up. Still can't break through that downside much. It's got down to 914, so it broke a bit, but still it's bouncing. Bouncing off the walls. Gold pulling back. Russell bouncing. Now it's breaking. Heading down toward 900. Big bounce again. So it got down to 901, bounced back up to 920. Still not giving me what I want. What is it you really want? Real estate. Walk away while you're green. And Q back up to toward the top of its range. Tio, next time you got to go there and throw your body in front of his computer. Take one for the team. Exactly. Don't think you'll last long before you're arrested there, Tio. I don't know. That would scare me. You don't know. You don't know what people might be doing on their computers. Still don't like anything so far. Trying to push back up here, but pulling back again. It's sniffed VWAP. Apparently, it didn't like the way it smelled. There you go. When the news cameras come on, the serial computer blocker has been caught. Your MightyOxTrading shirts there prominently on camera. Ace, how's that trade going? Pushing down on NQ, but this is ugly. This is choppy. Welcome back, RJ. Was the meeting about the wedding or was it about something else? I was right. I wasn't sure, but I had a feeling it was going to be about the meeting. I mean, about the wedding. That's odd. Usually people go in the bathrooms. He's going to end up eloping. Trying to push up again here. But immediately breaks back down. Can't get through that 44 area. Okay, which is where VWAP is sitting. VWAP. Nothing wants to give consistency today. Wow, big breakdown. Still ugliness, though. The Russell? When the heck did you start trading the Russell? He's always full of surprises, folks. And Q breaking down. Break it down something proper like. Getting your face ripped off always does suck. Unless it's by a reputable plastic surgeon. Crude oil still moving up here as it heads toward its inventories. Crude's trying to make it to 80. It's at 79.54. I bet you it drops on inventories. Look at daily chart. It's ugly looking, but we haven't been to 80. We haven't been this high since November 30th. And if it can break up to 80, then we're looking all the way back to November 7th. NQ still falling. Bitcoin still hanging above 60,000. Nice move down here on NQ. So I got fucking stop that on. Trying to break, it did break 900, but popped right back above it. In case you missed the futures prop firm discount snapshot, there's the link for it. For the contest or for the sale? Okay, cool. For anyone that needs the contest link, here it is. 957 entries. Dropping down back below 900. NQ falling hard. ES not really falling hard. Dow not really falling hard. NQ's the only one kind of giving it up right now. Oh. Broke overnight low on NQ, which was 892. Now we're down to 885. Yes, not near its overnight low. Dow is. Pushing down. 885. Yep, I agree, Crypt. So this one trade so far, it was a loss. Gotta look for more. Should have taken these purple candles on the way down, and I did not. Not sure why. Snowflakes falling in the air. Yeah, you're probably getting a little bit of snow up there, right, Crypt? After being almost 80 yesterday. Yeah, it hit like 78 degrees here in Decatur yesterday, and then last night it hit like 20 degrees. Excellent job, Sid. Uh, if anyone's on Apex, they're having rhythmic issues. Do not trade Apex rhythmic right now. And how warm were you yesterday, JC? Did you get up warm like I did down here? Yeah. Does your edge work in the afternoon, Crypt, or are you just looking to trade because you want to trade? Yeah, we were 78 yesterday, almost 80, and then bottom drops out. But then back up by 270 by like Saturday. You gotta love it. At least we didn't get bad weather. There were some tornadoes dropping up near Chicago, I guess. Yep, we will be on tonight. Asia session, 7 to 9 Eastern time. Oh, wow. Ace, that's something. Could be worse though. I saw that someplace in the mountains of California could get like 5 feet of snow. That said, as long as I had internet and power, that's like my dream. To sit there, look out a big window, watching it snow for days, trading, relaxing. And Q's tried to come up, but for now it's failing. Let's see if it breaks back below the lows. Got down to 880. I'm sorry, 876. I see it's being choppy on you there, RJ. Are you actively in a trade, RJ, or are you waiting for an entry? All right. It's trying to pop back up. It got up to 904. Here's 902. 10. No, 902. Yeah, pulled right back on the Russell. It's still hanging above the 20. It's sitting right on its 100 EMA. And Q doing nothing here if that's fun. How's everyone else doing? We know Ace is green. We know Chase is green. Ace and Chase. Hey, that rhymes. No, Crypticod's green. Anyone's trading crude? Remember, we got inventories coming up in about 22 minutes. Everyone got really quiet. Oh, there you go, RJ. RJ's got his target, 2054. Quick burst up by 5 points on that 5-minute candle. And here's NQ burst coming back up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, John. Are you still letting the algo run? Look at NQ all of a sudden, boom. Gold tried to pop up. It's trying to push back down, though. Pushing up. No. So finally made the run back up. Remember, 945 was the wall up here. All right, John. Yeah? You were in that trade for quite a while, right, RJ? Okay. I got you. Nice. Very nice, RJ. I'm starting to believe RJ can trade anything. Tomorrow he'll do lean hogs. So nice job, Sig. See you tonight. Gonna be around for the evening stream. Just trying to break through that 100 EMA, 20 EMA on the 5. Oh yeah, it's still going. Meanwhile, NQ can't find any footing here. It keeps trying to get above the certain levels and just doesn't. Russell's pulling back a little bit now. Oh boy. Don't tell the ES that you're cheating on her. Hey, you realize JC already has a +1. Gold still trying to push down here. ES popping up. Uh, uh, Fortunately, I don't have a passport, so they're not going to let me in Canada. We'll have to get like a plane, or I'll have to skydive. NQ just struggling to get through here. You can see it just banging its head. Boom, 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 boom. Crude oil, easy for me to say. Crude oil inventories in 10 minutes. For folks, if you haven't already, gore that like button. Let YouTube know you like this stream, like this channel. Well, it's like Tia said earlier, all publicity is good publicity, so I just need to be wearing a MightyOxTrading shirt and hat. Please hold. I think the AI is denying me on this. I need to find an AI that's allows me to be a little bit more edgy. Maybe it's doing it now. We'll see. Meanwhile, I mean, I don't want to trade this mess at all. Oh, oh, whoa! Here we go, guys. There we go. I should get that in a shirt. Yeah, that'd be good. I can actually add text to the shirt after I add the image. Ooh, NQ dropping a little bit here. I was thinking about doing something like uh, something with a saying of like, "You can't scare me, I trade NQ," something like that. The ability to do stuff with this print on demand stuff is limitless. I can come up with lots of good trading shirts and trading merch ideas, and maybe I don't never need to trade again. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. So this is still choppy, which is why I'm just messing around here. Nothing I want. Dow's coming up nicely though. It's weird. The AI does not want to make that. I've tried 5 times and it only made that one. So I better save it before they take it away from me. Sorry, I was chuckling on the inside. Pushing down, pushing down. Heading back down. It's back under 900. We hit a low of 76 earlier. Bounce back up. So again, do not go down real far. 87, which is basically the overnight low. Crude oil inventories in 30 seconds. Well, here's the jail made of chocolate. Let me try something. Let's see if that works. So nothing going on that I want to trade. This is a nice bounce on NQ. Maybe there's something here I want to trade. And VWAP's sitting at 928. Nope. Kind of popped up. This would have been my entry. This candle here, this bounce, but I just didn't trust it. And I'm just not seeing the market well today, I'll be honest. Pushing up now. Yep, there it goes. Pull back a little bit. Trying to get up. There's VWAP. Sniffs VWAP and pulls back. Are you in a trade, RJ? Struggling to get through VWAP. Awesome. Jumping into the Russell head first. Yeah, I need to find an AI that lets me be a little bit more edgy. Does not want to make things that say something like prison. A couple things that denied me on yesterday. It's like not real. It's not like I'm trying for anything that's real pornographic or anything. Yeah, but Microsoft designers kind of denying me at times as well. Think they got a lot stricter after that Taylor Swift thing happened. Pulls back. And another blue candle back up. All right. So you're really piling in on the wins today, RJ. Have a great day, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. Remember, we're doing a stream tonight, 7 to 9 Eastern, 6 to 8 Central. See if we get any excitement then. Tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern. So right around this time tomorrow. Have a great day, JC. No reason to be sorry. Here's the link. And there's like 13 actions you can do to enter. Don't have to do all 13, just each one gives you an individual entry. Yes, back up to its 100 EMA. No, no entry risk for being on stream. But like crude oil inventories, it dipped pretty good, then it's trying to pop back up now. And by the way, RJ, you still want a MightyOxTrading mug? You should be able to get one next week. Here's an example. Sitting at 923, nice bounce back up. Is it going to head toward, what was our highs on NQ? No, that's right, not our highs, but our high of the morning. We got up to 960 on news. Don't think we're going to see an overnight high touch trade. NQ pulls back. Yeah, nice bounce there. Back above that, hanging a little bit above that 2054 on the Russell. Crude oil trying to completely break down here. You can see crude got up to 79.59 and then started pulling back. Kind of a setup that looks like it wants to come down one of those rest of the day reversals. Yeah, YM's been the strongest of the four. Like it kind of went straight up. This is a 5-minute chart, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 straight green candles. Yeah, would make sense. I keep thinking it wants to push up, but it just hasn't had the oomph at any point in time. No oomph. We've been oomphless. Definitely a choppy day, though. A little burst here and there, but nothing to write home about. Oh, there you go, RJ. Back up to 2056 on the Russell. And Q still stagnant, just right above 900. It's banged off VWAP a couple of times. Look at the Russell. It's gotten up to 2057 and then 2058.5. Just trying again. That was a nice candle right there. Everyone got really quiet. It's like tomorrow, bunch of news again at 8:30. Gaggle of news at 8:30. And also some news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. And a Fed speaker later in the morning. There's NQ giving a little pop. Can it get back above this 927? Yeah, I agree. It does look lazy over there. It's kind of just sitting, trying to not break 2054 to the downside. ES with a nice pop. Do we get some? Oh, that's a big pop for ES. 7 points. Do we get some sort of odd news? No. BTC still got above 61,000. Pulled back now, but quite the run that it's on. Here goes NQ. I mean, I just did not read the market well today. Like that was another nice candle right there, and I didn't take it. For some reason I was just off today, not reading the market well at all. So staying out of trades is my best thing. I hate to do that when I'm here on stream because I know people want to actually see some action, but I don't want to blow up accounts just to give people action. A little less talk and a lot more action. Well, look at NQ blowing up all of a sudden. Not sure what just lit a fire under the market. But wow, look at this. I mean, we stayed in this range, or down here and there, for a good hour and a half. Now it's trying to get above this 946, which is where it topped out right after the open. And you can see 960 up here. But we are at the top of the hour, so that's where we're going to call it for today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, for some Asia session trading, and back tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day as we watch NQ just absolutely blowing up. Talk to you later. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.